In this video, I'm going to show you the sparkling, crystal clear path to the market price of 1 penny per Shiba Inu coin. As you very well know, if you saw my previous video, you know that I showed you the path to the market price of 1 penny per Shiba Inu coin that many of us think may be highly unlikely, but at this juncture, in these market conditions, I don't think anything is highly unlikely anymore. Look what's been happening. This thing is bonkers. What, a 1,600% increase since the beginning of October? Anyway, the scenario of burning 99.3451% of the circulating supply of Shiba Inu coins to get to the highly coveted market price of 1 penny. Now, let's say that's highly unlikely. Let's say that'll never happen. Hella freeze over before it does. It probably already did anyway, right? Let's say that does not happen at all. Most of you people did not watch the video to the end, so watch this video to the end so you have a full understanding, so you understand the full broad scope of what's been going on how all this chatter revolving around this beloved coin is going to propel it to a penny and beyond. I mentioned to you the possibility of the reverse coin split. As you very well know, the way that these financial assets are structured are similar to the way other traditional assets are structured. So just like EFTs, there's a Bitcoin EFT that CNBC streams on the bottom right next to its NASDAQ and its stock exchange tickers. There are all kinds of financial vehicles, asset products that work just like traditional products. So there is a method that the developers and stakeholders of Shiba Inu coin can go ahead and execute, which is similar to what happens in stocks on its coin in the event, listen, we're going to get this thing to a penny and beyond by any means necessary. We're going to go ahead and take the role of Malcolm X in the movie where he's got the gat and he's looking out the window by any means necessary. Anyway, a reverse coin split. What is a reverse coin split? A reverse coin split is where they take, for instance, 5,000 of your coins and they convert that lot or that block of 5,000 coins into one coin, basically consolidating the value of all those 5,000 coins into one coin. So let's say they do it at a 5,000 to 1 ratio. You typically in the stock market see it anywhere from a 5 to 1 ratio to 10 to 1 ratio. However, we're dealing with a circulating supply of what? Trillions of coins over here, right? 1 quadrillion before they burn 41% of it. Okay, so let's say we do a 5,000 to 1 reverse coin split in 1 year's time, right? Take a look. At this particular point, the circulating supply, let's say under these existing market conditions, circulating supply would drop down from 549 trillion, 153 billion, 12 million, 490 to 109 billion, 830 million, 602,498 Shiba Inu coins. Now, that would bring the price up to 35 cents. It can happen. They could do it. They want to pull out all the stocks. And look, the Shiba dominance at this particular rate would only be 0.32% with a growth rate of 329%, which is very conservative growth rate, considering that the total cryptocurrency market has been growing at rates of up to 1,200% back in 2017 and dropped to 10% last year alone. Look, the growth rate from 2020 to 2021, 586, basically retesting the 600% level at this juncture. Look, this is an average right here, 300%, and the total market cap would be at $10 trillion. So at 329%, which is equivalent to the growth rate that we have been experiencing for 24 hours time, practically almost every day. It's not on average, but you typically get 0.9. As a matter of fact, you look it up today. Go ahead and take a look at CoinGecko, right? And just take a look at the growth rate for the past 24 hours. It's right here. Actually, there's a growth rate of 0.0% today. Okay, so there's no growth rate, but this number is typically making me look bad. It's typically around 0.8. Well, you know it's going to keep growing, especially with all the chatter revolving. As a matter of fact, just take a look at this. Look what Rand Paul, U.S. Senator Rand Paul, told MarketWatch. Crypto could become world's reserve currency if government trust falls. And look, and it's not far from it. Back in February, there was, what, like $2 trillion in circulation. Take a look at it right now. How many $1 trillion are in circulation right now? Not including all the investments, the liquid money that's out there. Look, 6.3. If you don't see it, I'll go ahead and zoom it in. Boom, 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 boom. 6.4 rather, if you round it up. Remember your rounding rules. This number is more greater than 5 or greater, so this becomes $6.4 trillion monetary base, according to the Federal Reserve. 6.4. Now, under current market conditions, with the same circulating supply, the market capitalization of Shiba would be $5.4 trillion, which people say is highly likely because it's more than the current, right here, $5.5 trillion actually, which is more than the current total market capitalization for all cryptocurrencies, 5.4. But again, we don't have to get to that juncture. Now, there's some burning involved right here. For instance, I took a look, this number, I got it from the circulating supply, of Shiba Inu coins at 549 trillion, 153 billion. That dropped in about a day to 549 trillion, 152 billion. Look, so roughly, because you know that Shiba Inu has a burning component when you use Shiba Swap. For every transaction hash, there is a 1% burn of whatever is being transacted on the platform. 69 million coins have been burned over the past 24 hours. Times 365, that equates to about 25 billion coins burned. But again, a reverse coin split doesn't even require any coins to be burned. So that's just a cherry on top right here. Another 20, and this number is going to increase as more people learn how to invest using Shiba Swap into this coin. Now, let's take a look at the pricing action. Right now, since the coin's price tested the 1/100th of a cent resistance level at around 8,000th of a cent right here on October 27, 2021, it's been dancing and bouncing off of this 5.8 thousandth of a cent Fibonacci support level of 50% for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, for the past week, right? But the support level is increasing right now. So right now, support level is looking at around 6.2 thousandth of a cent right now. Look, right now it's at the time of the filming of this video, 6.4 thousandth of a cent. So at this particular juncture, it could start, there's some liquidity right here because there's people that are looking for it to get below this level so they can start pumping more money into it. So if that happens, this number is set to increase and very well take it to that 1/100th of a cent level, resistance level, right? And then well beyond into 0.01 and what I'm telling you, to the point where if, for instance, they want to get to this thing to the penny as quickly as possible, they could do something such as the reverse stock split, or they could do, there are a number of things that they could do in order to get it there. And it has the buying power in order to support it to do so. You saw how now Kraken, a leading exchange, they announced that they wanted to get this thing listed right here. Look, we've heard you loud and clear. This was their last announcement on Twitter. Community is an important part of our considerations for all listings, and you have clearly shown your support. There's more work for us to do as we move our listing review. So they currently have it in review to go ahead and have it listed. They promised they're going to do that. And they look, again, they've pinned that tweet, 13 hours. Look, right here. They said they would do it if they got a number of likes on a particular post. So they got to that level, well beyond that particular level. And at this juncture, look, you could get it on Coinbase. The number The market price for Shiba Inu actually increased after Coinbase announced that it was available on Coinbase wallet back on September 16th, if I remember that correctly. And if you want me to drop a video on how you can get the Coinbase wallet and be able to buy Shiba Inu on Coinbase, go ahead and do that. But of course, hit this link right here. Of course, this is a quick plug, bit.ly/Rod Base, okay? Not Rod Base with it takes two to make a thing go right. No, not that. Rod, as in Rod Squad. The Rod part of it, the first part, Rod Base. And what happens is once you deposit $100 into your Coinbase account, which stays yours, it's not money that you're paying to Coinbase, you get $10 and I get $10. In addition, they have learn to earn programs right here. Learn to earn programs right here on Coinbase. So right now, they're telling me to earn $15 more. I've already earned about 32 bucks, and you can take a look at my video where I show you all the answers. And I gotta go through. I gotta make some time to do this. Still haven't made the time to do so. So many things happening right now with this cryptocurrency stuff, and you want to take a look. And again, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Loopring, look, you learn about these particular protocols. Fetch AI, you get $3 here, $4 here. I've already earned roughly $32, $35, aside from the 10 bucks I got for depositing the 100 bucks. That's like $40 and change, right? And then they want me to earn $15 more, like $55, $60. You can take that money, transfer it over to your Coinbase wallet, and basically get Shiba Inu for free. Watch this video right here so you can view and evaluate all the numbers and economic indicators so you can make the wise decisions when investing into this cryptocurrency or anything else.